Welcome to Silicon Valley, the heart of technological innovation. Let's start the video. Nestled in the San Francisco Bay Area, Silicon Valley is home to some of the world's most influential tech giants, like Google, Microsoft, Apple. And at its core lies ApplePark, the headquarters of one of the most iconic tech companies in the world. Designed by renowned architect Norman Foster, ApplePark embodies the company's commitment to innovation and sustainability. Within its walls lies the Steve Jobs Theater, a place where Apple unveils its latest groundbreaking products. From Stanford University to venture capital firms, the ecosystem here fosters creativity and entrepreneurship. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, an aspiring entrepreneur, or simply curious about the future, Silicon Valley and ApplePark invite you to be a part of the next big thing. Like and subscribe.